guys! Today we're gonna teach you how to make mug cake.
From the top.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Zakk.
And today we're gonna be teaching you how to make mug cake. Let's get started. First, you're gonna need vanilla cream-filled cookies. You need to crush them like this. You're gonna need milk. You're gonna need your mug, a spoon for mixing. Get your mug. Crush your Oreos.
How do I crush them?
Like this.
Okay.
Oh, just made a mess. Oh well. Let's pretend that never happened. You're gonna need at least 6 pieces. Here it is. There. Okay, you can put it in your cup now. Yes. Now we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. This. You could even put like a little bit more, just enough so it will turn into, like it will look like cake batter. Alright, now you can just mix that up.
Looks like mud
Yes.
with eggshells.
Ew. Here's how it turned out. Are you good there? You can put toppings. Here we have chocolates and candies. We have chocolate spread. You can experiment. You can even put fruits and stuff. Let's put it in now.
Just gonna put it in the microwave for maybe about a minute.
You don't want to overcook it or else it's gonna taste like eggs. So just waiting. Okay, this is good.
Okay, that's yours.
Ow, that hurts. Please be careful when you're touching the mugs. It's hot.
Yay!
Yay. Look at that.
Ooh, melted caramel. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, I should put some of that too. It's so good. Look at that. Look at how beautiful
Yum,
it
yum.
turned out. Yeah, so the ingredients made this really cool cake.